EngiGyan, Virtual Learning Support. We believe in success. Hello everyone, this is Pratik Srivastava, your instructor for the course Python Fundamentals Bootcamp. I'm here to tell you about why we should take this course. So first of all, the main agenda of this course is to make you industry ready. So we would be learning the practices that are usually preferred by industrial people and what are the practices that they usually follow. Also in this course, we would be discussing about the questions that are usually asked in Python interviews so that you could excel into your future lines. First of all, in this stuff, we would be dealing with the editors like the PyCharm, Jupyter. Next, we would be focusing more on the object-oriented paradiagram because Python is a OOPS language, so we would be focusing more of it into it. Followed by that, we would be kind of connecting our Python program on our local system machine to the internet. So using the HTTP request, we would kind of fire the various other HTTP. Using the HTTP request, we would connect our Python program to the web. Followed by this, we would be kind of following a pattern of learn by doing. So we would be making a Telegram chat bot so that you could kind of show off your skills that you have learned during this course. Let's talk about the requirements of this course. There are only two basic requirements of this course, one being a desktop with a good internet connectivity, followed by the other being your dedication towards the learning. That's it. Trust me, simply that's it. So with the above two things ready, I'm there to welcome you to the Snake Island. Let's get started. So we would be discussing about the syllabus for the course and the segment. Also, you would be having your frequent examination during the timeline of the course. I would be mentioning you about it in the description itself. So the very first segment of the course would be Introduction to the Python Programming. In this segment, we would be dealing with what is Python, why Python, and what are the softwares that we would be needing. We would be needing to get started, and all your questions like this. Digging deep to the basics of the Python, in this segment, we would be talking more of about the data structures, data types, and we would be digging underhood the Python. So what are the fundamentals required for you to code into Python? In this, the main agenda of this segment would be to focus on the data structures like list, tuple, set, dictionary, because they are the core data structure that you would be using in most of your programs. Followed by this, the basic segment, we would be testing your or collaborating your progress during by the basis of the examination. So this examination would be more of an MCQ as well as the output based, in which you could have to tell like what would be the output of the very same program. In the next segment, we would be learning about functions, built-in functions, user-defined functions, nested functions, or you could even say as recursion. We would be focusing more of on lambda function because they are preferred by the industrial professionals. Next is a very crucial stuff or a very crucial topic, the errors and the exceptions. This is the stuff that demarcates you from a coder to a good coder. So coders usually focus more on data structures and algorithm, whereas a good coder focus not only on the data structures and algorithm but also on the prominent cases which could raise exceptions and um, terminate your program. Like they could abnormally terminate your program, and this causes a bad impact on the client in front of you. So we would be kind of tackling this condition so that you never face this abnormal termination. We would be next would be the test. So again, we would be kind of calibrating your learning of the segment 2. Followed by the examination, we would be entering into the segment 3. So in segment 3, we would be focusing more on the OOPS concept. In the OOPS concept, we will be talking about inheritance, abstraction, encapsulation, classes, and all the stuff that include OOPS. So we would be learning how to use those OOPS concepts in Python. Next, we would be learning about how can we use packages and libraries in Python. We would also talk about how we can install various third-party libraries and kind of use their method. We would be we would see how we can alias the big names of the libraries with some small variable name or the alias name. Uh, Followed by this, we would be entering into the very last segment of our course. So this would be a very much hands-on section. In this, we would be focusing more on how we can build our Telegram bot. We would be discussing about what are bots, how we would be using our Python code to kind of send the messages, receive messages using Telegram. So this would be a very much interesting segment of yours. Hope you like it. Next, after the project stuff, we would be again testing you for the entire course in the that we have taught you, so that we could be giving you the we would be awarding you with the certificates for the same. Here is the plan of action for the entire program. Hope you like it. Thank you.